Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 22 simple equations in that exercise 22b. Okay, next second question, solve in that first one x by 3 minus 5 equal to 2. You have to solve this linear equation. So first let us take this minus 5 to the other side. We know that negative term on taking to other side it will be positive. So this will be x by 3 equal to 2 minus 5 on taking to other side it will be plus 5. Okay. So x by 3 equal to 2 plus 5 it is 7. Now we are transferring this divided by 3 to the other side. So divided by any number on taking to other side it will be multiplied by that number. Division on taking to other side it will be multiplication. Okay, so x equal to 7 divided by 3 will become multiplication 3. Okay, which implies x equal to 7 into 3 it is 21. So this will be the answer. Okay, second one, y by 2 minus 3 equal to 8. So first let us take this minus 3 to the other side. So negative term on taking to other side it will be positive. So how you will get y by 2 equal to 8 plus 3. That is y by 2 equal to 8 plus 3 it is 11. Now divided by 2 we are taking to the other side. We know that division on taking to other side it will be multiplication. So y equal to 11 into 2, which implies y equal to 11 into 2 it is 22. So this will be the answer. Okay. In that third one, z by 7 plus 1 equal to 2 1 by 2. So first let us convert this 2 1 by 2 to improper fraction. So what you will get, z by 7 plus 1 equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Okay. Here you will get z by 7 plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. Next, we are transferring this positive 1 to the other side. We know that positive on taking to other side it will be negative. Okay. So z by 7 equal to 5 by 2. This plus 1 on taking to other side it will be minus 1. Okay. Now let us solve this. 5 by 2 minus 1. The LCM it is 2. Now make the denominators equal to the LCM. Here no need to change. Here 1 into 2 you will get 2. So this 1 also you multiply by 2. Now 7 by 7, z by 7 equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 into 2 2 by 1 into 2 2. What you will get, z by 7 equal to 5 minus 2 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Okay, next we are transferring this divided by 7 to the other side, so that this variable is alone on left side. Divided by 7 other side like variable matra left side. So division 7 on taking to other side it will be multiplication 7. So z equal to 3 by 2. This we are taking to the other side, so that will be multiplied by 7. Okay, that means z equal to 3 into 7, 21 by 2, which is equal to, on converting to mixed fraction, what you will get, it is 2 1 2. You will get 10 1 by 2. So z equal to 10 1 by 2 will be the answer. Okay. In that fourth one, a by 2.4 minus 5 equal to 2.4. So first we are transferring this minus 5 to the other side. Negative 5 on taking to other side it will be positive 5. So a by 2.4 equal to 2.4 plus 5. Okay. Now a by 2.4 equal to 2.4 plus 5. You will get a 7.4. On adding this you will get 7.4. Okay. Next we can transfer this division by 2.4 to the other side. So division on taking to other side, it will be multiplication. So how you can write A equal to 7.4 into 2.4. Division 2.4 on taking to other side, it will be multiplication 2.4. Okay, now find this product 7.4 into 2.4. So first to find 74 into 24. You will get 1776. Now after decimal point, here one digit, here also one digit. So total 2 digits are there. So in the answer also 2 digits should be there after decimal point. So the answer will be A equal to 17.76. Okay. Now fifth one, B by 1.6 plus 3 equal to minus 2.5. So first let us transfer this positive to the other side. So we know that positive term on taking to other side, it will be negative. We will get B by 1.6 equal to minus 2.5. This plus 3 will become minus 3. Okay. Now B by 1.6 equal to, how can you find minus 2.5 minus 3? So change this minus sign to plus, change the sign of next number. So minus 2.5 plus minus 3. On adding, you will get 2.5 plus 3, it is 5.5. And negative plus negative, it is negative. So negative 5.5. Okay. Next step, we are transferring this divided by 1.6 to the other side. And we know that division on taking to other side, it will be multiplication. So what you will get, B equal to minus 5.5. This division by 1.6, it will be multiplication 1.6. Okay. So B equal to, we know that negative into positive. Negative 5.5 into positive 1.6 it is. Negative into positive it is negative. 5.5 into 1.6. So first to find 55 into 16. You will get 880. But here after decimal point 1 digit, here also 1 digit. So total 2 digits should be there after decimal point. So the answer will be 8.80. That means B equal to minus positive into negative, it is negative. So negative 8.8. No need to put 0 here. So B equal to minus 8.8 will be the answer. Okay. Do the sixth one as homework. Now third question. Solve. In that first one, minus 8m minus 2 equal to minus 10. So here first we are transferring this minus 2 to the other side. So what you will get, minus 8m equal to minus 10. Then this minus 2 on taking to other side, it will be plus 2. Okay, negative term on taking to other side, it will be positive. So minus 8m equal to, what is minus 10 plus 2? It is minus 8. Okay. Now we have to find the value of m. So m equal to this minus 8 we are taking to the other side. Okay. Negative 8. Here negative 8 into m. Multiplication it is. So if you are taking multiplication minus 8 to the other side, it will be divided by minus 8. Multiplication minus 8 in m vich multiply cheyana. So multiplication by minus 8 in other side lekku konduvumbo adu divided by minus 8 it will be. Okay, ee minus 8 in other side lekku konduvumbo minus 8 divided by minus 8 it will be. Okay, now negative divided by negative, it is positive. 8 by 8 it is 1. That is positive 1 will be the answer. M equal to positive 1. Okay. Multiplication case negative 8 തന്നെയാണ് അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സിംപ്ലി നെഗറ്റീവ് 8 അതർ സൈഡിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആവുന്നില്ല അവിടെ. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ, ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഐ എം സെയിങ് if it is addition or subtraction then we have to change the sign, but in case of multiplication what whether the number is positive or negative, that number you are taking to the other side. അത് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയാലും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയാലും അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ അതർ സൈഡിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഓൺലി ചേഞ്ചസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ചേഞ്ചസ് ടു ഡിവിഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, in that second one, 4x plus 2x equal to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Okay, so here 4x plus 2x we can add because they are like terms. Okay, like terms we can add. So 4x plus 2x, 4 plus 2 it is 6, variable is x, so 6x equal to 3 plus 5 it is 8. 6x equal to 8. Now we have to find the value of x. So 6 we are taking to the other side. 6 into x here. So multiplication 6 we are taking to the other side. So that will be divided by 6. X equal to 8. Multiplication 6 will be divided by 6. 8 by 6. We can reduce this. Both will go in 2. So here 4, here 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 we can convert that to mixed fraction. You will get 1 by 3. So the x equal to 1 by 3 will be the answer. In that third one, 4x minus x plus 5 equal to 8. So these are like terms. 4x minus x, that is 4x minus 1x. These are like terms, we can subtract. 4x minus 1x it is 3x. 3x plus 5 equal to 8. Next we are taking this plus 5 to the other side. So positive 5 on taking to other side it will be negative 5. We will get 3x equal to 8 plus 5 will be minus 5. Next 3x equal to 8 minus 5 it is 3. Now we have to find the value of x. So x equal to multiplication 3 we are taking to the other side. So that will be divided by 3. 3 multiplication 3 will become divided by 3. 3 by 3 it is 1. So x equal to 1 will be the answer. Okay. In that fourth one, 6x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 10. So here we can see 6x and 2x are like terms. So let us group that together, or let us bring like terms on one side. Okay, so 2x let us bring to this side, and 2, this 2 let us bring to the other side. Like terms you can bring together. Like terms neko orumichu ezhudam. So 2x ne ingotum plus 2 adine right ilekku konduva. 2x on taking to this side, that is positive 2x we are taking to this side. So that will be negative 2x. 6x minus 2x. This full term we are taking to this side. Okay, ഈ 2x മൊത്തമായിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത്. സോ പോസിറ്റീവ് 2x ആണ് ആക്ച്വലി അത്. സോ പോസിറ്റീവ് 2x on taking to other side it will be negative 2x equal to, here right side 10 is there, plus 2 we are taking to the other side. So that will be minus 2. Okay, 6x minus 2x equal to 10 minus 2. Now we can subtract. 6x minus 2x it is 4x equal to 10 minus 2 it is 8. Okay, now 4 into x equal to 8. From this we are taking 4 to the other side. We have to find the value of x. So x equal to 8. Multiplication 4 on taking to other side it will be divided by 4. So x equal to 8 divided by 4 it is 2. This will be the answer. Okay. In that fifth one, 18 minus in bracket 2a minus 12 equal to 8a. So here bracket is there in the question. So we have to open or remove that bracket first. Okay, we have studied that if there is a negative sign before a bracket means you have to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. ബ്രാക്കറ്റിന് മുമ്പേ നെഗറ്റീവ് ടേം ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള ടേംസിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ സൈൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് വേണം എഴുതാൻ. സോ ഹൗ യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ദിസ്? 18 minus in bracket 2a minus 12. So 2a will become minus 2a. It is plus 2a actually. That will change to minus 2a. Minus 12 will become plus 12 equal to 8a. Okay. Now we know that minus 2a and 8a. Listen, this term is actually minus 2a. Negative sign is coming before the term. So you have to take the term along with this negative sign. Negative 2a it is. So this negative 2a and 8a are like terms. So let us bring that to one side. Like terms in oru bhagath edam. Okay, so let us bring this minus 2a to the other side. Right side. So how you can write 18 plus 12 equal to 8a minus 2a. On taking to other side it will be plus 2a. Okay. Now 18 plus 12 you can add. It is 30 equal to 8a plus 2a. This also we can add. They are like terms. 8 plus 2 10a. Okay. This thing we can write like this also. 10a equal to 30. No change will be there if we change the side. Left side if we write on right side and right side if we write on left side, no change will be there. ഇത് ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറ്റി എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ചേഞ്ച് ഒന്നും വരുന്നില്ല. 10a equal to 30. From this we have to find the value of a. So for that we are transferring or taking this multiplication 10 to the other side. Multiplication 10 on taking to other side, it will be divided by 10. So a equal to 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 it is 3. So a equal to 3 will be the answer. Okay. In that sixth one, 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 6 plus x equal to 4x plus 21. So we can see many like terms here, so that we can group together. Okay, 3x plus 2x and x plus 2x plus x plus 5 plus 6 we can write together equal to 4x plus 21. Now these like terms we can add. 3x plus 2x plus 1x it is. On adding what you will get, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6x plus 5 plus 6 it is 11 equal to 4x plus 21. Okay, now we can see that 6x and 4x are like terms, so that we can bring to one side. This 4x let us take to this side and 11 plus 11 let us take to the other side. ഈ 4xനെ ഇങ്ങോട്ടും 11നെ റൈറ്റിലേക്കും കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. ലൈക്ക് ടേംസിനെയൊക്കെ ഒരു ഭാഗത്തേക്ക് നമ്മൾ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ 4x, that is plus 4x we are taking to the other side, so that will be negative 4x. Plus 4xനെ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരുമ്പോൾ അത് minus 4x ആയിട്ടാണ് വരിക. And plus 11 on taking to other side, it will be minus 11. Positive term on taking to other side, it will be negative. So how you can write 6x minus 4x equal to 21 minus 11. Okay, 6x minus 4x it is 2x equal to 21 minus 11 it is 10. Okay, now we have to find the value of x. 2 into x equal to 10. So x equal to, this multiplication 2 we are taking to the other side, so that will be 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 it is 5. So x equal to 5 will be the answer. Okay, now in that seventh one, 3.5x minus 9 minus 3 equal to x plus 1. So here minus 9 minus 3 we can subtract. What you will get, minus 9 minus 3 it is minus 12. You can write 3.5x minus 12 equal to x plus 1. Now let us group together like terms. Like terms let us bring to one side. So this x on taking to left side and minus 12 let us take to right side. Okay, ഈ എക്സിനെ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്കും മൈനസ് 12നെയാണ് റൈറ്റിലേക്കും കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നത്. സോ 3.5x x, simply x means positive x on taking to other side, it will be minus x, equal to 1 is there, minus 12 on taking to other side, it will be plus 12. Okay, now 3.5x minus x, that is 3.5 minus 1x. You can subtract, they are like terms. 3.5 minus 1, it is 2.5x. Variable is x. 2.5x equal to 1 plus 12 is 13. Now we can find the value of x. X equal to multiplication 2.5 you are taking to the other side. So that will be 13 divided by 2.5. Now in the denominator, after decimal point 1 digit is coming here. So you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. We have to remove this decimal. That's why. 13 into 10, 130 by 2.5 into 10, it is 25. Now let us reduce this. Both will go in 5. So 130 divided by 5. What you will get? 130 divided by 5. 5 into 2, 10, 30. 5 into 6. So 26. 25 divided by 5, it is 5. Now let us convert 26 by 5 to mixed fraction. 26 by 5 you will get 5 1 by 5. 5 quotient 5, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 5. So x equal to 5 1 by 5 will be the answer. Okay. In that 8th one, 8x plus 6 plus 2x minus 4 equal to 4x plus 8. So here also you can see like terms 8x plus 2x. So you can write that together 8x plus 2x and then plus 6 minus 4 equal to 4x plus 8. Adding this like terms 8x plus 2x, it is 10x plus 6 minus 4, it is 2 equal to 4x plus 8. Now let us group together like terms on one side. So this 4x we are taking to this side, plus 2 we are taking to the other side. Okay, 10x, 4x, that is plus 4x on taking to this side, it will be minus 4x equal to 8 plus 2 on taking to other side, it will be minus 2. Okay, now 10x minus 4x, 10 minus 4, it is 6x equal to 8 minus 2, you will get 6. Now we have to find the value of x. Multiplication 6 we are taking to the other side, 6 into x. From this we are taking the 6, multiplication 6 to the other side. So that will be 6 divided by 6. Okay, 6 into x equal to 6. Adana multiplication 6 aanu nammal right like konduvanne. So adu endayittu varum divided by 6. 6 divided by 6, it is 1. So x equal to 1 will be the answer. Okay, do the 9th one and the 10th one as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.